What's up? What's up? What do you say? Are you good? Oh, jeez. Let's get it, Mo. Let's get it. What's up, dog? Looking fresh, bro. Yo, this is so fire. How good, bro? You good? Good to see you, bro. Hey, yo. Yo, let me just do a quick 360, bro.
Yo, like,
you got a GoPro?
Reaction on camera when you first see it.
You got? We pulled up in the whip, yo. Floor it. Oh, yo, Chacho. Yo, welcome to the video, guys. This is my boy Mo. As you guys can see by the title of the video, we're gonna be driving in his car today. Can you let him know what kind of car you got?
It's a Porsche 911 Turbo.
If you're watching this video, use it as a motivational video, cause yo, how long have you been saving up for this car?
A minute.
A hot minute. So we've known each other for a long time, since like grade 8.
That's my brother, bro, from time.
We used to play futsal.
On my camera, I've been recording. I'm like, yo, it's my boy Anthony from back in the days.
Yeah. No, seriously, we go way back. We used to play back in the day. We used to play in Royals. It's a soccer team out here. If you guys know, if you don't know, that's the GOAT. That's the GOAT team. You know what I'm saying?
Up,
so like basically, we're just chilling right now. I actually just got in the car. If you're into cars, whatever it is you're into, make sure you guys grind. Cause yo, since day one, since I known this guy, I haven't really been into cars that much.
Been known.
But since day one, he's been grinding.
After hoopties. Loud so like, cars, this, that.
You guys will get to see the car in a bit, but it's fire. It's actually
I'm
fire.
telling you, yo, there's a lot more coming to the channel. You know, I'm gonna get Anthony on the car game too, bro.
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna be on it.
100%.
Like he's also gonna do YouTube, so I'm gonna add his YouTube. I'm gonna add his YouTube link in the description, his Instagram, and all that stuff. This is the fastest car I've ever been in my life, honestly, no cap.
Stupid, it's not very
stupid fast.
You like it?
What's up, man?
I love it. It's so nice.
What's up? What's up, bro? You good?
What's going on, man?
What's up,
Hisham? Hisham back at it again with another deadly video. You know how it is. Stay tuned, subscribe, and like, baby. Hit that alert button, baby. Shout out to the car. We got the 911 Turbo, 540 horsepower. Slap your mom's car, your mom's van, your mom's uncle's van. Boy, if you don't.
But yeah, yo, this is by far the best car I've ever been in. The fastest for sure. I'm just waiting till I can drive it. You know what I'm saying? Just like. How do you feel about your first? I guess this is your first supercar, right?
That's crazy, bro. I don't know what to say. He's putting me on the spot. Oh, big bless, bro. Big bless in this, you know. That's all I can say. Like, I'm speechless. I wake up every day, you know. I got the key like this to mash the coupe, you know what I mean? I better come like this, bro.
We were talking a little bit earlier. Like, how long did it? Like, realistically, how long did it take you to save up for this car? I know you've been grinding since time. You know?
Years and years, bro. You know, like.
No, yeah.
This is a blessing, you know. I wake up every day and like this car sitting in my driveway, you know. I'm like, it's still like it's shocking to me. So
don't be shy, bro.
Yeah, so you know how it is, bro. You gotta take it one step at a time. I had my car out of the way just to make sure, you know, I don't ruin the scene. But you know how it is. We'll take it one step at a time, and hopefully we'll get that Lambo.
Out of respect, he worked really hard for this, you know. Never stop grinding, you know. Believe in yourself, push hard. God's got you.
All right, Joe. You gotta get your boys into the so they get motivated.
This is crazy. Alright, guys. Hey, yo. My first supercar. Driving my first supercar. Let's get it.
Yo. Give him.
Still hit my car, huh?
Hold up. Give him a year or two. He's gonna have a car like this.
Box, man. Let's get it.
That's on God.
Damn. Down gears by itself? Yo, this is dope, bro. Hey, yo. Make sure this summer you guys are tuning into the channel because
This summer
we're gonna be linking up. We're gonna be doing a bunch of videos. So
yo, I've been telling him this summer is gonna be stupid. Okay, I'm gonna have some next level whips. Not just this. I have Justin Bieber's car in my shop. Videos with that. I'm gonna be doing crazy videos. Lots of cars, Lambos, Ferraris, Porsches, everything.
it's gonna be lit. Huh?
Hold it.
What? Yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, we just wanted to tell you guys, thank you guys for tuning into the video. We hope you guys liked it. Big shout out to my boy.
I appreciate y'all. I appreciate Anthony, my bro.
Yo, big shout out to my boy Mo. Thank you for letting me drive my first supercar.
100%,
1 year I'm gonna grind it out, but
100%.
big shout out to Hisham. I wanted to talk about coronavirus that's been going around a little bit. Make sure you guys are staying safe. Keep washing your hands. Stay close to your family. Stay inside. Yeah, that's it. Stay safe, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe.
Ain't no issue, gotta stick and move. Can't afford to lose. Out here trying to prove many things. I can really sing on what I'm really introduced to. I just stay quiet and really grind, that's what I'm used to.